University of Mumbai Mcom Sem 4 Corporate Financial Accounting Question Bank Solution. Topic we are doing valuation of business, and today we are going to do problem number 7. We are already did the problem from 1 to 6. Now this is problem number 7. Let's see the problem. On 31st March 2022, the balance sheet of Mahesh Limited was as follows. So they are giving 30,000 equity share of rupees 100 each, value 30 lakhs, profit and loss account 3 lakhs 9,000, short-term borrowing 70,000, creditors 2 lakh 25,000, provision for taxation 1 lakh 35,000, bills payable 2 lakh 21,000, building 5 lakh 75,000, plant 3 lakh 70,000, stock 9 lakh, trade receivable 18 lakh 50,000, bank balance 3 lakhs. Then they are given us the 5-year net profit from 2018 to 2022. From this, we will able to find out our average profit, that is future maintainable profit. Additional information is given in the sum. On 31st March 2018, land and building were valued at rupees 6,50,000. So you have to take this value for land and building, as we always have to take the market value. So in additional information, they have revalued it and we have to consider this value. And planned also 3,30,000. Normal rate of return is 80%. Calculate goodwill to be valued at 4 years purchase. So you have to take the goodwill at the value of 4-year purchase of super profit based on average profit at least 5 years. Consider closing capital employed as average capital employed. Okay, so let's see the solution. So whenever we have to calculate goodwill, we always have to remember this 6 steps. Okay, so what is our first step? Calculation of future maintainable profit. Second step is calculation of normal rate of return. Step 3, calculation of average capital employed. Step 4, calculation of normal profit. Step 5, calculation of super profit. Step 6, calculation of goodwill. So this is the 6th step for solution of our problem whenever we are calculating goodwill. So let's see solution. Step number 1, calculation of future maintainable profit, FMP. So we have to take average profit. So what is the formula of average profit? Total profit divided by number of years. Okay, so it's very easy. So it has given the net profit for last 5 years. So you are going to consider this. So we will add this up. 2,95,000 plus 3 lakh plus 3,50,000 plus 3,40,000 plus 2,90,000 divided by number of year, that is 5. So when you add up all this, you will get your answer as 15,40,000 divided by 4. So average profit will be 3,02,000. Okay, this is your first step, calculation of future maintainable profit. You will get average profit as 3,02,000. So your FMP is 3,02,000. Then your next step, calculation of normal rate of return, which is already given in this sum. It is 10%. So you are simply going to write it 10%. Then step number 3 is calculation of average capital employed. So you are going to find out the average capital employed. So here you have to minus all tangible trading asset at market value minus all external liabilities. Okay, so this is your way of calculation of average capital employed, which is step number 3. So in tangible trading asset, we are going to take building, plant, stock, trade receivable and bank balance. So whatever is given in the asset side in this problem sum, we are going to take it. For building and for plant, they have given in additional information that it is revalued. So instead of 5,75,000 for building, we are going to take 6,50,000. Then for plant, we are going to take 3,30,000. It is given 3,70,000, but additional information they have given 3,30,000. So we are going to consider that. Then stock, trade receipt and bank balance will be same. When you add all this, you will get your answer 3,99,000. No, it's 39 lakh 95,000. So this is your answer when you add your all asset side. Then you have to minus all your external liabilities. So equity share we are not going to take, profit and loss we are not going to take, short term borrowing yes, creditors yes, provision for taxation yes, bills receivable yes. So short term borrowing 7 lakhs, creditor 2,25,000, provision for tax 1,35,000, bill payable 2,21,000. So as mentioned in all the as mentioned in the balance sheet, you are going to consider because no revaluation is of liability side is given, so we are going to take all the values as given in the particulars of the sums. So your total, when you will add up everything, you are going to get 6,51,000. So 39 lakhs 95,000 minus 6 lakhs 51,000, you will get your answer 33 lakhs 44,000. So this is your average capital employed. Okay, every time you can also write less preferential dividend. Here in this sum it is not given, but you have to mention, I forgot to mention over here, but you can write that so that who is going to check your paper knows that you know the exact method of calculating the sum. So you can write there 0 and then you will get your answer as 33 lakhs 44,000. So your average capital employed is 33 lakhs 44,000. Okay, then we are going to calculate your step number 4, that is calculation of normal profit. So what is the formula for calculation of normal profit? You have to take your step number 3 into step number 2. Step number 3 into step number 2, you have to remember this, step number 3 into step number 2. So in step number 3 you have what you have calculated is average capital employed into NRR is how much? 10 divided by 100. So you have to take divide by 100. So 33 lakhs 44,000 into 10 divided by 100. So your normal profit will be 3 lakh 34,000. Sorry, 3 lakh 34,400. Okay, 3 lakh 34,400 is your normal profit. Now we'll come to the step number 5, calculation of super profit. So super profit is what? What is the formula for it? Future maintainable profit. That is our step number 1 minus normal profit. So your super profit, your future maintainable profit is 3 lakh 2,000 minus normal profit is 3,34,400. So if you see here, your normal profit is more, and we will get the answer in negatives, but we are calculating what? Profit. So we will not consider the profit which is in negative. It is not a loss, it is a profit. So we have to take profit as a nil because we are getting the answer in the negative. Okay, similarly when you calculate your goodwill, so when we are not having any profit, how the goodwill will be there? So your even goodwill will be nil. Okay, simply you have to write goodwill nil. So you have to just write the value of goodwill is nil as normal profit is more than future maintainable profit. Okay, this will be your answer. Okay, so some student will make make the mistake by writing answer in minus, but you cannot do that because you are calculating profit and not loss, so answer will not be in negative. So you have to write profit as nil, and so as profit is not there, your goodwill will not be there, so you have to write it goodwill. So the value of goodwill is nil, but you have to write why it is nil. The value of goodwill is nil as normal profit is more than future maintainable profit. Okay, so this is the solution of your problem number 7. Very easy. Only the mistake students can do here, that they can write the profit in negative, which is not valid. So you have to write your profit as a nil, so goodwill will also be the nil, so your answer will be nil. Okay, so in the next lecture we'll do the problem number 8. Okay, so for the same you have to click on notification bell icon and subscribe the channel. Thank you.